for the most part, I was able to get it to this really light blonde. And when I started, I was about a 5 or a 6 on the blonde chart, I guess you could call it. And now I feel like I'm about a 9 or a 10. So I am going to start off this video by removing the color that I put in my hair. And if you saw my video, I used Adore Me ginger mixed with paprika, and this is kind of the residual color that I got. Now it is like fading into kind of like a ginger color, but as you can see, I definitely did not get this part, like basically my edges and baby hairs, I did not get that part. So I'm about to bleach my hair, like actually bleach it. Like I tried to go the healthy route and use the Clairol hair lightener in the lightest blonde, but one, it didn't take all over my hair. My hair was still brown. 2, I want my hair like blonde because 1, I look really cute with blonde hair, and 2, I got another color in mind and I'm gonna need blonde, okay? So I went to Target again and got color Oops. Now I can't remember if I gotta wash my hair or not, so I'm about to read these directions really quick, but they do come with gloves and the bag for you to put on your head to make it process quicker. Also, I didn't mention this last time, but you do not want to use anything metal. So any metal hair clips. I actually used on accident 2 metal hair clips, but I know this time I'm going to be using my just plastic ones. All right, y'all, so before I got started, I went ahead and I applied color Oops to my hair to remove the red rinse that I put in, and honestly, it came out way brighter than I remember it being. Like my hair, okay, so in person it looks a little dark on camera, but like my hair is like a really pretty like honey blonde right now. My dye experiences have not all gone the same, so I'm not doing any exact measurements with the bleach or with the powder or the pure developer or whatever. I'm over here like messing up because I'm nervous. I'm not doing exact measurements with that. I'm just gonna do it to where it's at a paste consistency so that when I put it on my hair, it's not runny. Even though you want to wear a shirt you don't care about, I don't want the stuff to be runny, because I feel like the more runnier it is, the quicker it dries and the less effective it is. And I just want to be a one and done kind of gal on this, so I'm gonna try to do everything I can to ensure that my hair is one and done and that I don't have to re-bleach my hair, because I'm definitely going to wait a while if I have to re-bleach my hair. And that's just because I'm not trying to fry my hair off. Like I already have a loose curl pattern, as you can tell. I don't need to be frying my hair off. So right now I'm going to section my hair off into quadrants, 4 quadrants, and then slowly work my way through each quadrant using clips. So let's get started. Y'all, so my hair is processing. The back is processing pretty good. I'm gonna try to go back through and see what I can see, and then I'm gonna put a shower cap on and let that process, and then I'm gonna do a deep conditioning treatment, use some purple shampoo, maybe some toner. If the color comes out the way I want it, I'll tone my hair, do a deep conditioning treatment, and then come back on here for you guys to see. I really hope it comes out the way I want it to, because honestly I'm not gonna do this again. Like, I don't trust myself enough to be able to pull it off twice. And the front of my hair is processing pretty good. These roots right here are acting like they don't want to process, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on this cap and let it sit for like 20 minutes and check on it intermittently This is a huge cap. I can't remember where I bought this cap, but it's a huge cap. Y'all pray for me. I really don't want to fry my hair. I did have to mix up some more of the, you know, the cream developer and the powder when I got to this side because I ran out. But I did use the Olaplex again. So, hoping my hair is protected. This is the purple shampoo that I bought from Sephora. It's Amika. And it's Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. And then I'm going to be using this right after I rinse my hair out. I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to do a deep conditioning treatment. And then tomorrow I'm going to come back on here and we're going to tone my hair. Especially if it comes out like yellow. We definitely need to tone our hair. But if it doesn't come out yellow and super brassy, then the purple shampoo will be enough. So I think that's about it as far as this segment goes. Also, I do want to say you don't want to scratch your scalp or anything the day when you do your bleaching. You also want to do it on dirty hair. So it doesn't have to be like week-old dirty hair, but at least 1 or 2 day old dirty hair. I would suggest doing like a pre-poo treatment and putting some coconut oil on your hair and really getting your hair moisturized and doing a deep conditioning mask the day before or at least 2 days before, just to really get that moisture into your hair. I also used the oil on my scalp yesterday. I didn't do anything to my hair today, just to kind of leave it in its natural state so there's not too much oil on my hair or too much product, but that way my hair is still protected. I think that's all of the tips. So like I said, start from the back and go to the front, and start at your ends and your mid shaft if you have just virgin hair, and then do your roots last, because I can already tell that my roots are processing pretty freaking quick. Alright guys, so this is how my hair turned out. It's pretty much a uniform color. My roots are a little bit hotter, but for the most part I was able to get it to this really light blonde, and when I started I was about a 5 or a 6 on the blonde chart, I guess you could call it, and now I feel like I'm about a 9 or a 10. I can't lie to y'all, I'm feeling the blonde, and I was gonna do another color on top of it, which is why I wasn't going to tone my hair, but I'm actually digging the blonde. So I just wanted to show you guys that I did not lose my curl pattern. My hair is not damaged or anything like that. I think the key to me keeping my hair healthy was using the Olaplex and the developer. Also, I did a deep conditioning treatment right after, and I have leave-in on my hair right now, and I obviously use my oils for hair growth, and I also used that sealant oil to help seal my ends to prevent any breakage. Now next week I am going to do a protein treatment, but tonight or tomorrow I'm going to do an Olaplex treatment by itself just to make sure my hair is good. At this point my hair still feels the same like before I dyed it, so I'm really happy about that. I hope you guys love this hair. I hope you can learn something from this, because I feel like for someone to DIY something and for it to actually come out good, and for me not to have damaged my hair, like this came out pretty freaking bomb. And I've been trying to go blonde without bleaching my hair because I was scared I was gonna damage it. But I will say, follow the steps that I took in this video as far as using the Olaplex, or at least the Ion Absolute Booster, and those two things will help keep your hair healthy. Also moisturize your hair before you do any bleaching to your hair. Don't mess with your scalp at all, and use if you're going from around a 5 or a 6, use a 20 volume developer with the Olaplex. But if you're going from a super dark color, I would recommend getting like a 35 or a 30 volume developer, putting the Olaplex in, because that will take down the developer 10 volumes to about 20 or 25. And that way you're protecting your hair, but you're still getting, you know, the lift on your hair at the same time. So I got a pretty even lift with my application. So at this point I'm liking this color. I may tone it, I may not, but I did want to come in and let you guys see how it turned out for me. this was actually a really fun video for me to film, and I'm happy I filmed it, and I'm happy I'm actually gonna be able to upload it, because my last 2 videos again became corrupted. Honestly, I think I just need to get a new SD card at this point. But yeah, I hope you guys love the way this turned out. And like, you can see all my curls. Like, I have no damage on my curls whatsoever. I actually put my hair in a bun to go to the gym this morning. So this is like my hair after having it in a bun, sleeping on it at night when it was wet. And this is just what it's looking like. It's not styled any particular way, and I actually think it's cute. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful, if you actually dye your hair and do it successfully like I did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below anything that you thought was interesting, or if you have any questions about the dyeing process. I'm not a professional, but I literally watch at least 20 videos, and I watched these 2 particular videos. Actually, I'll link them down below so you guys can watch those as well. And I watched them repeatedly, like at least 6 times, to make sure that I got the process down. So comment below if you want to know anything or my thoughts on it. And subscribe to the channel, sis, if you're new, because your girl obviously knows what she's doing, okay? No, don't let me, I'm not about to cap on that. I really didn't know if it was gonna come out good. But I enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next banger. Bye, guys.